Did you know that you can turn almost any piece of digital art into a patch in Substance Painter? Let me show you what I mean. So here I have a little jumper with a corduroy fabric on it, and I want to turn this butterfly image into a patch like you would sew onto fabric. How do you do it? It's so easy. So first I go up to this search bar and I search embroidery, EMBR, and it'll come up. I'm going to drag and drop it onto my material, and that becomes a new layer on top of anything that you had previously. And it comes in pretty blank, but all you need to do is scroll down to the bottom and input your image. So I'm going to drag and drop from my file that butterfly. There it is, looking good. And of course, if you scroll up, you'll see a lot of different options that you can change that will adjust the way it looks. So you can change the colors, you can change the fill, you can change the thread thickness, all sorts of cool stuff. You can play around with it, but essentially this is it. This is how you make a patch, and it looks so good right off the bat. So I'm really excited about this, and I'll be using it a lot, especially on my fabrics. I hope it helped you, and if it did, please like and subscribe and check out my playlist in Substance Painter. Thanks.